User-friendly. A crypto wallet with a user-friendly UI, albeit sometimes ignored, makes purchasing and trading NFTs a more seamless and hassle-free process. Maximum security. A secure wallet should include features like two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to prevent hackers from accessing your account. Support for multiple devices. Get a wallet that can operate on 2 devices and allows for real-time transaction syncing. Compatibility across chains. While Ethereum is the most popular blockchain for NFTs, a wallet that supports several blockchains allows you to access NFTs from alternative blockchains. Compatibility with your favorite NFT platform. If your crypto wallet does not support the marketplace where you wish to mint, buy, or sell NFTs, you will be unable to conduct any transactions. Withdrawal from a bank. Unfortunately, not all cryptocurrency wallets allow you to withdraw funds straight to a bank account. So keep an eye out for this functionality if it's something you're looking for in a wallet. Contact us for guidance.